Welcome to my 2024 Vlogmas. Join me as I celebrate this season with creative designs, parenting tips, and festive fun. From do-it-yourself Christmas crafts to heartwarming stories and holiday acts, there is something for everyone to enjoy. Let's make this holiday season merry, magical, and memorable. In this video, I will be guiding you on how to create Christmas-themed wallpaper for phones and desktop using just your mobile app. Launch your Canva mobile app. If you do not have it already, then you go to Google Play Store to download the Canva mobile app. Then you come to plus here to create a new design. Once you click on plus here, then you can type, you will see what would you like to create. If you are designing for the phone wallpaper, then you type phone wallpaper. But if you want to design for desktop wallpaper, then you type desktop wallpaper, or you can just type wallpaper. Once you type wallpaper, it will bring different options for you. Here we have the phone wallpaper, and then we have the desktop wallpaper here. They are just opposite sides. One is portrait while the other one is landscape. So for this one, let's do the phone wallpaper. Then when you click on the phone wallpaper, it will bring different templates for you. If you want to use templates, then you can use templates. But for this video, we are designing from scratch. So we will click this arrow, and then we will click this arrow, and then we go back. When you click the arrow like this, it will bring a plain page for you. So you scroll down like this, you scroll to the left and go to photos. When you get to photos, what you should type is backgrounds. You can either type background, you can see this is background here, and you can click background, you can click this Christmas. Let's click background. If you click background, you will see different background like this. Let's go back, let's cancel the background. If you click Christmas, you will see different Christmas photos, different images for Christmas. But for this video, what we'll be typing is we can type snowy landscapes, bokeh lights, holiday colors. Now for this video, let's type snowy landscapes. Then we can scroll down to select anyone that we like. If you are using the free version, then do not select anyone that has crown. But if you are using the pro version, then you can select any of these. Once you select your background, then click on these three dots like this, and then scroll down to set image as background. After setting the image as background, you can double tap to adjust it or move it anyhow you want it to be. So we have selected our background. After selecting the background, the next thing will be for us to look for Christmas elements. First, you have to click on this X to close this. Then you scroll back to the right or to the left and click on elements. When you click on elements, then you can type stars, or if you have anything in mind that you want to add to your design, you can type it and it will bring different options out for you that we can add to our design. So I will select this star, but because my background has a lot going on with it already, so I will not be using this star. So we can go to elements, you can type ornaments. And then you can select graphics, or you can select photos. Let's select this one, and then so we can put it here to give our design some color, to add color to our design. So let's put this one here. Let's place it like this. Since it is the background of it is a wallpaper. Aside from ornaments, other things that you can search for in the elements are candy canes. You can type candy canes, candy canes. Then you can scroll to choose anyone that you like, so you can add it to your design just to beautify your wallpaper. And you can place them appropriately. Just place them anyhow you want them to be, just to make the wallpaper look more beautiful and colorful, to give the Christmas season vibe. Another thing you can search for, you don't have to use everything that I am mentioning in this video. I am just giving you the keywords that you can search for. You can also search for only, and then it will bring different things for you also that you can add to your design depending on what you want. Okay, let's put this one here. You can see that this design is becoming too busy. Normally I don't add too much element to my design, but just for the purpose of this design, just so you can know the different things that you can add to your design, that is why I'm giving you this element name. So aside from that, you can search for snowflakes, you can search for stars, holy, ornaments, candy canes, and anything Christmas. Even if you don't have an idea, you can just type Christmas. You can search for art. Once you type Christmas and click on CO for the graphics here, it will bring different Christmas elements for you that you can use for your design. Just keep scrolling down and you can see different design. Now, while searching for design, I can see Christmas here. I like this Christmas. Let me just use this one. So after adding all the elements that you want to use for your wallpaper, the next thing for you to do is to add a festive message. So to add a festive message, you click on text, then you click on any text, and then you type whatever you want. Or you can scroll down to look at different options of fonts. Also, you can come to elements and type Christmas text. When you type Christmas text in elements, it will bring different Christmas text for you, Christmas and different designs for Christmas for you. You can see different designs here. You can click this Merry Christmas. Let me delete the first one that I chose here. I can click Merry Christmas and put it at the center of this. I can put it at the center of this element. And if you want to add more things, you can, if you want to type, you can just click text and then type Merry Christmas or whatever you want to type there. If you want to type joy to the world, you can type it. Then you can use holiday colors for the text, but we already choose a text that has already been designed. So the next thing that you have to do is to make sure that you are satisfied with your design. You can delete any element or go and look for new elements. Once you are satisfied with your design, you make sure that the color is well balanced, the font and everything is fine. It's just a wallpaper. You don't have to put too much of text on it. So once you are done with your design, selecting your elements and selecting your photo and every other thing, the next thing you should do is then you go to download. You come here, sorry. You come here and then you click download. When you click download, you download it and then it will download on your phone. The same thing we are doing here, you can do it on the laptop. Just the same, just follow the same process and do it on your laptop. Now let me go, it has downloaded. Let me go and use it as my wallpaper now, and I will show you what it looks like. I just applied it as my wallpaper. Can you see how lovely it looks? I did not adjust it. That is why it went to the side. So let me go back and select set as wallpaper, home screen, and then I can adjust it like this. Let me adjust it to the center and then click done. Then it has been set as my wallpaper. So this is how you can design a wallpaper using just your mobile app. If you want to do it for your laptop too, all you have to do is choose the correct size. When you are designing in Canva, just choose the desktop wallpaper, and then you can make your design, choose any object you like, and then you are good to go. See you tomorrow when I'll be bringing another creative idea for this festive period